Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a short video about a common problem for the Mk5 Transit and lots of older vehicles in particular, and that's when the heater fan only works on one speed. There's a resistor pack which controls the speed. The resistor pack works by putting resistance in series with the fan motor to get different fan speeds. So on the maximum settings, you'll have the lowest resistance and the highest fan speed because the motor will be getting its full current. On the next speed setting down, you'll have a higher resistance in series with the fan motor, so it'll be going slightly slower. And on the lowest fan speed, you'll have the highest resistance and the fan will be going even slower, and then off it'll be open circuit. Let's pop the bonnet. So underneath the bonnet, down here by the alternator, we have our resistor pack for controlling the fan speed in the cab. And lots of the time these get really rusty and the connections get loose to the resistors, so you only get one fan speed. So by replacing this, that should fix that problem. And they're really cheap, so there's no point trying to repair this resistor pack. You might as well just get a brand new one. And I'll put a link to these in the description below. If the fan's not working at all, it's a good place to start down at the fuse board. So if we have a look down here, I believe it's this one here with a 30 amp fuse. So you'd want to just take this fuse out and check it. If the fuse is fine and it's still not working, it's a good place to check on the back of this switch here. Sometimes you'll get a loose connection and the plug might burn out on the back of the switch. If that's the case, you might need a new plug, or you might be able to replace it with crimps. If it's still not working, then you can remove this section of the dash and you'll want to check the motor, or just replace the motor, because at that point it most likely is the motor. Another issue I had with this van when I first got it was that the fan wasn't blowing out warm air. It was always cold and the van never got up to temperature. So linking 2 and 2 together, it told me that the thermostat was faulty. So I replaced the thermostat and that's fixed that problem. So I'm now going to show you where the thermostat's located if you have this problem yourself. So this is the thermostat housing here, and the thermostat's located inside this section. So you have to drain the coolant down below this point of the engine, take this hose off, unscrew this, and then put a new thermostat in. Another reason why you may not be getting heat in the cab is if your heater matrix is blocked. If the vehicle's been running with just normal water in the cooling system, then it can cause rust to form and build up inside there, causing blockages, and that could be a reason why you're not getting heat in the cab if the heater matrix is blocked. So you'd need to disconnect this pipe and flush through the heater matrix to make sure it's clear, flush it through with a hose pipe, and then refill it up with new engine coolant. So the final common problem to talk about is the damper control. So these are cable operated dampers. This one directs the air around the cab and it's connected down there. So as we can see, that's working as it should be. The cable's attached. And for checking this one, it's down the driver's side. So if we have a look under here, taking this duct off, and if we look in there and we operate the damper, you can see that moving. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like, and if you consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed, I really appreciate it, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Cheers guys, take care.